In today's video, we will see how to pair your headset with the Meta Horizon app, step by step, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setup. Step 1. Install the Meta Horizon app. So download and install the Meta Horizon app on your smartphone. Then open the app and sign in with your Meta account. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone. Then allow the app requested permission including location, then required for device discovery on many phones. Step 2. Turn off your headset. So press and hold the power button on your Meta Quest headset and wait for headset to boot up and display the setup screen. Step 3. Connect the headset to Wi-Fi. So put on the headset and follow the on-screen setup instruction. Then select your Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password and connect. Step 4. Start pairing in the Meta Horizon app. So open the Meta Horizon app on your phone, tap menu or devices, select pair new headset and choose your headset model. The Quest 3, Quest 2, etc. Now in step 5 you can enter the pairing code. So in the headset open the settings, then system, then about. If prompted, locate the pairing code displayed on the headset and enter the code in the Meta Horizon app. Now select complete the connection. So in step 6 you can keep the headset close to your phone during pairing. Wait for the app to confirm that the headset has been connected successfully, and the app will sync your headset settings and may check for update. Goodbye.